Medicaid expansion. Now, let's be honest, the subject is kind of confusing, so I reached out to a few friends who work in graphic design to see if they could help. If we work off the notion that everyone should have health insurance, the gap represents the financial barriers that keep some from getting it. We get health insurance many ways. About half of us are insured through our jobs. About 6% buy it themselves. The elderly end up on Medicare. 16% receive Medicaid, which helps low-income families or people with disabilities. And then about 14% remain uninsured. In Georgia, that 14% equals 1.4 million people. But when politicians talk about closing the Medicaid coverage gap, they're only talking about a third of those people. That's because those people kind of got lost in the shuffle when Congress passed the Affordable Care Act. Take a family of 3, for example. Their taxable income has to be less than $7,600 a year to qualify for Medicaid. If they make more, the adults have to buy it on their own. That's about $11,000. That's why the feds agreed to offer tax credits to cover the cost. But by law, they can't get those credits until the family makes at least $23,300. Hence, the gap. Another example, a person without kids. They aren't even eligible for Medicaid, but they also don't qualify for tax credits to buy health insurance until they make at least $13,590. The Kaiser Family Foundation, an independent nonprofit that studies health issues, says 38 states have decided to increase Medicaid eligibility to help get those people to the other side of the canyon. But 12 states, like Georgia, have not. Why not? That's what we're going to find out. And we're going to start with the politics behind expansion.